Don't we just love a jet black middle part bust down quick weave? Yes, we do. So that's what we're doing today with hair from Nadula. I have 3 bundles of their Brazilian body wave in 22 inches. So this is just what the hair looks like fresh out the package. Of course, I did go in and wash and dye the hair black. So this is the result of that. And for body wave, the hair has a really nice texture to it. So this is my starting base. I just took out a little bit of edges and a middle part. I'm going to go in with the 2 HD caps. In between both caps, I am just going to spray a little bit of hairspray as an extra layer of protection. Dry that with my blow dryer and then go back in and cut my ponytail holder out so that the base is actually super flat. This is a perfect base for you if you're a beginner just starting out doing your own quick weaves, or if you simply can't braid like me and you want to do your own quick weave. So here I'm just cutting out some ear holes so this can be comfortable, and then I'm going to go in with my liquid cap. I really like this one from Red because it does dry quickly and I really like the smell of this. I don't do any of my quick weaves anymore without it. It's just such an easy way to remove your quick weave when you're ready to take it out. You just rinse your hair underwater if you applied it properly, and it'll slide right off with no glue on your hair, or very little glue on your hair, depending on if you actually covered everything that you need to cover. So after I apply all of that, I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer, but I do let it sit for about 45 minutes after blow drying, um, and then it's ready to be cut. Like, cut the excess cap off, but take your time. These clips are sped up, but I did go slow because the thing you don't want to do is actually cut your real hair. That would kind of defeat the purpose. And for the glue, I'm going to go in with the red quick dry glue. I do think that glue is glue, but for some reason this one has a different texture. It's a little thicker, so I do think it does hold a little better and it dries much quicker than the other glue. The other glue is like a more watery consistency. This one is not. So it also doesn't have that super strong glue smell, if that makes sense. If you use this, then you know what I'm talking about. So here I'm just laying the tracks. We went through this really quickly, you guys. We know how to lay tracks for quick weaves. If not, I'll go slower next time, but I'm just left to right, and then I kind of fill gaps as needed. I also didn't bring all the tracks to the top, if that makes sense. I kind of stopped a little ways away from where my leave out is, because I wanted my install to be nice and flat, and I kind of just mimic what a previous stylist did, and I love how this turned out. And it does make a difference with how much blending you have to do to the front. I do think it's easier this way. I'm just brushing the hair out, and again, for this to be body wave hair, the hair has such a nice texture to it. As you can see, it's not silky straight, it's not like a loose wave. It has a nice texture. I will wear this hair in its natural state for sure. But here I'm just straightening my edges before I actually go in and straighten the hair, because I do want to sleek the hair out. So that's what we're gonna do for styling. Okay, and I do have my flat iron set to 450 degrees. The hair to me straightened really easily. I am going in with medium sections of hair. Since this hair isn't like a thick, dense texture, super easy. You can probably take bigger sections than what I'm doing, but I do eventually start doing like the chase method. I've started with a comb, but then I moved on to a brush just for better grip. So love this combo together. Got the hair really straight, and that essentially left me to only have to do like 1 to 2 passes on the hair. Not that it really matters because it's not our real hair, but love this method. Um, so I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten all of the hair. This is what it looks like after being straightened. As you can see, the hair is nice and silky and has so much body, so much movement. I am going in with the same temperature on my leave out, but I did add a heat protectant to my leave out. I used the Olaplex bonding oil, and we're just blending at this point, straightening and blending. And here's the final of straightening our hair. So pretty. The hair, gorgeous. This is all 22 inches of hair. It's pretty long. I am 5'2". Also, I didn't use all of the hair. I wanted to see what the hair would look like if I used roughly like 2.5 bundles, only because I knew I was going to straighten it and I wanted to be really natural looking, really flat, and I think I achieved that. So I really am proud of myself, pat myself on the back. So I'm just going in with a little bit of hair serum for my leave out, and whatever is left over my hands, I just drag it through the rest of the hair. But this install is so good, so yummy. I'll be sure to list all of Nadula's hair info in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to the hair that I'm wearing. And I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.